Today we're going to talk about what happens when you're pending. Hi, this is Melody Wilson with the reLIFE team at RE/MAX Elite. You just bought a home and now you're pending. Okay, so first of all, what does pending mean? Pending means that both the buyer and the seller have agreed to a price, the date, all the details. So because everyone's agreed and everyone has signed off on it, you are now called pending. So from a seller's perspective, there's nothing really to do except for make sure that we continue to show your home in this stage because we don't know if the deal is still going to go through. It's still not a certain thing. But other than that, you just have to make sure your house is still available to show and also ready for a home inspection. On the buying side, what does this mean? What happens during the pending stage? Well, your contract is sent over to the mortgage side and they are they're using your pre-approval and then they're putting the house together and making sure they've got all their ducks in a row and everything lines up and you're good to go and give you the actual financing approval because usually your house is probably pending financing. You're probably also pending home inspection. So we want to make sure a home inspection is booked. Typically, we don't book the home inspection until after we know the financing has been approved because there's a cost involved for doing a home inspection. This is done during the pending stage as well. Pending stage usually lasts anywhere from 5 to 10 business days. And so we want to make sure that that's all completed in time. The other thing that you might be considering to do is checking out condo docs if you are buying a condo. So we send those documents to a professional company to verify the condominium documents to make sure there's no red flags. So basically the pending stage is the stage where you're doing all your due diligence. Everyone's checking things out, checking things, dotting their I's, crossing their T's, making sure that yes, this is indeed a house that's going to work for you and you're approved for everything, and then you're making that final call going, yes, we have everything checked off, we are ready to move forward. And then once you've agreed to all that in that pending stage, we then write a waiver and then you've now been sold. So then the pending stage would be over as soon as you're sold, or if you non-waive, you change your mind on the property, if something doesn't line up, the inspection or the financing doesn't, or condo docs doesn't line up to where it's in your satisfaction, then it's non-waive. But usually it's ended in the sold and then you move on to the next stage, which you need to tune into that next video to talk about what happens at that stage. Hopefully this video helped you. And if you have just bought a home and you're pending, congratulations. Please comment below, share your stories, and also share this video with anybody you think might like having access to this information.